Yeah, I got the little pups out here. Playing shit over there. You know. Skip. Skip. My little albino puppy right there, you know. Little cocaine white. A chocolate boy right here.
Come here, Kendra. Come mama.
You see they beating on my baby.
Good mama. Run. What are you doing, man? What you do now? No, you need here.
Yeah, that dude be beating up the cat. Don't mind it, it's my good cat, so y'all don't mind the cat, you know. So I be letting him beat up the cat, you know, talking about working the cat, look. They be beating up the cat, look. You know what I'm talking about? Make him eat the cat up.
They gotta jump you, ain't good.
See, they beating up the cat, putting the work. Skid.
They gotta jump you in the air.
Where you at? It's my son Moonhead. You know what I'm saying? Little red boy. Little red boy. His sister over there. Got that red boy Kobe in him. That Bojo, you know. Yeah, that's how it's feel. You know.